shoots for my LinkedIn. Let's see how it goes. Time to go do the first take. So these are the gadgets I'm using today. I have my ring light, my phone, I have this LED lights, this mirror to help me see if I am in position, and of course my Bluetooth shutter. Position. Take one. No. No. Too reckless. Too ghetto. Mom, do you really know how to play the game? Then you bet. No. Loud. Too reckless. Too ghetto. Mama, do you really know how to play the game? Then better. Then thanks to God. Ew, this third one now. Too ghetto. Mr. Oh. Oh my God. No. Too loud. Too reckless. Too ghetto. Mr. Lama, do you really know how to play the game? Then tighten up. Ooh. That's one thing. Got to take 5. Too reckless, too ghetto. Mom, do you really know how to play the game? Then tighten. Revolution, people don't find the wrong guy. So it's 2:33 and I'm finally done shooting the content and my DIY birthday shoots. Hope you enjoyed watching the process. See you in my next video. Bye.